Want to receive Bitcoin on Binance? This section breaks down the essentials. Receiving BTC involves using a unique deposit address generated by Binance, acting as your public key. Log into Binance, go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot, Deposit, and select BTC to find it. Here's how it looks in the mobile app. The deposit option is clearly marked. Your deposit address is a unique string of characters that acts as your public key for receiving BTC. The Bitcoin network is standard, but Binance also supports wrapped BTC on other networks like Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Selecting the wrong network can mean permanent loss of funds, so pay close attention. Binance has added pop-up warnings to help prevent this common error. Remember, security is key. Enable 2FA for all withdrawals and be cautious of phishing attempts. Now let's talk about safely completing your deposit. While Binance may not have a minimum BTC deposit amount, network fees always apply. These fees are approximately 0.0001 BTC and are required for the Bitcoin network to process your transaction. Deposits typically take 10 to 60 minutes to confirm on the Bitcoin network. You can track the status in your Deposit History tab. Double-check your deposit address every time by scanning the QR code in the mobile app to avoid errors. Experts at CoinDesk recommend blockchain-agnostic tools to help avoid mistakes from network mismatch. As of 2025, Binance is developing Layer 2 solutions for faster deposit times. Always test with a small amount first, and for large amounts, consider using a hardware wallet. Binance has enhanced security since 2024, but user error remains a risk.